Yo, 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 yo! What's good, guys?
Yo.
It's your boy KB. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a hood strut. So I decided to get some hood struts since, you know, I got tired of just holding it up like this. I know you're probably tired.
I ain't holding this shit up for longer.
All right, well, today is that day where we put in some new hood struts so we don't have to deal with that problem anymore. Give it a little modernization, you know what I mean? Let's begin. All right, so the hood struts that I picked up were the Grimmspeed hood struts. I prefer Grimmspeed because that's what I pretty much heard from everybody's first option on getting hood struts. But there's plenty other ones out there. All right, so first things first, we're gonna open up the box and see how everything looks. All right, yeah, we just unboxed it. This is what's inside. Got your bolts, got the struts themselves, and we got the Subi. Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is unbolt this top one right here on the hood. And you want me to show them?
Yep.
Then for these two retainers that you see right here, they're gonna go on the top of each side over here. It's from 2005, what do you expect?
It's like the Audi all over again.
Yeah, we'll be alright. Yeah, we ain't talk about that. What is that anyway? I don't even know. Anyway.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, what is that? I got no front bumper. That's weird.
I don't know. If people know what it is, then comment down below what that car is.
I mean, if people play Need for Speed Underground 2, comment down below.
I mean, that's a fact. We're going to attach the hood adapter piece onto the hood strut. So once we put it on, it's just gonna be a little bit easier to just manipulate whenever we have to like get this attached. So it's gonna run up like that somewhat. All right, so the next step is what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this hood strut into the hood. So first things first, thread it in so you're not impacting it down. We're not caveman here. We actually are caveman here.
Look like a caveman.
Chill. So the new bolt that Grimmspeed actually offered is gonna be a 13 mil. I'm just using a shitty old Pittsburgh one. So we already tightened it as much as we can. We're gonna put this on to the car. I'm gonna keep doing that.
All right, so we got the first part in, and now we just got to take out this 10 mil right here. You got to take out this 10 mil right here and put in the adapter. Come on, focus in.
Just like that, 10 mil's gone. Just like this one goes in. Oh, let me not struggle here. All right, and then we just gotta tighten that down. You gotta tighten it down until it's snug. Look at that. The hood's holding itself. Let's just make sure everything clears, make sure we did everything properly. Which now we have to cut a little bit of this off actually. So one thing that I've noticed, that I actually noticed right now is
Yeah, go ahead.
It's not that hard to cut
Yeah,
down.
try to put it down.
So right now it's actually hitting on that plastic piece if you see it right there.
Yeah,
Let me
right
see if I
there.
can- Yep. So we just have to cut that down a little bit, which not that hard. Just use a little bit of snippers and you're good.
Apart at one point.
Just like that.
Yeah.
This
Cut
little
it up.
piece.
Cut it up.
That's
Cut
just
it up. Cut it up.
And
Wait.
then now we just make sure. Let's not damage the intercooler. Now we make sure. As you see, does that. And we pop it up. Obviously, it's not going to hold all of its weight right now, but
it's snug. It works.
now it's just the second side.
Yep. On to the next side.
I'm going to let you do this one. Okay. Okay, break my fucking tools already. good. Keep going.
All right.
And just like that, you don't need a fucking broom to hold up your shit.
Perfect. All right, put her down.
Let's pop her up again.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
That shit came up way too fast. Finishing step. I know you can do this one. I know you can do this without help. Gotta put the stickers on, man.
Oh God, I ain't putting them stickers on.
You gotta put them stickers on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. We gotta put the stickers on. It does look fire.
I'm telling you.
Just like that.
Are you putting it fully sideways, or are you gonna tilt it up a little bit?
I think I'm gonna tilt it up a little bit.
Are you gonna put it on the top, or are you gonna put it on the bottom?
I think the top, so everybody can see it.
Okay.
Just like this, right?
Let me see it. Personally, I like it even like that, but if you want to do that also, you can to cover up this shit. Okay, I like it. Picasso. You don't know where that is. You know where that's from?
Nope,
at
I
all.
don't.
Oh my god. I'm gonna send that to you, and you better put that shit on the video.
What's this? Okay, I like it. Picasso. Yeah, that way.
All right, they're on.
Let's see how that shit looks when it comes down. You gotta see the sticker when it's coming down.
Yep.
Oh man, I thought there was a fucking hood scoop.
Oh yeah, you didn't know that?
I'm out of here.
All right, y'all. Well, that's it for today. We got the hood struts in, and it's on to the next. We're almost there before the show.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
We got one more. We got an extra car. What was I supposed to say that?
No.
Oh, we ain't gonna talk about it.
But look, thank you, Ahmed, for letting me use your tools and just helping out overall.
Anytime. Come
Always
by.
appreciate it.
Come by anytime. You're more than welcome to use any of my tools.
Man, I need to step my game up with the tools and working on cars, man. I'm really behind on that, but hey, look, it's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna be a mechanic one day.
Hopefully.
I don't know. But all right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. He also got a YouTube channel coming out.
Yep.
Getting him ready for, you know, the talking and everything. So that's why I'm having him on the videos so much.
Just keep in mind, I have like 3 videos ready to be posted already. So
all right,
they're already
sounds
edited
good.
and finished. So
I'll send them right over. His YouTube channel will be in the description below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.